Okay, folks, a small update. As you can see, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 is removed. This is the OC edition, except this card has never been overclocked. 10 gig, it worked faultlessly up until last Friday. Has the dual power. It's got a massive thermal take fan in it. Power supply in it. It's very, very large indeed. So it's definitely not a power issue. I've now tried the system with everything uninstalled in terms of all the applications. The NVMe and RAM are all absolutely brilliant. Been right the way through that. Updated everything there. Same all the way through. As you can see, it's a liquid-cooled CPU. That's the i9 Intel, so no dramas with that. Literally everything else works except when I tried to load Call of Duty DMZ from Steam. So what I'm going to try is using the built-in Intel DisplayPort first. I don't know the specs on this. I'll have to configure it in the BIOS and see what happens if I try to run Steam from that. This card is going back for a warranty repair. There's an RMA underway for this. As you can see, it's a retail package. It's not an evaluation unit or anything like that. It does have the small capacitors on it, which supposedly gives a better power handling. I know some videos talk about these smaller ones being replaced by large ones on the outside. Don't know how much difference that makes, but in any eventuality, this is the smaller version. And as I say, it is a retail product. Nothing untoward about any of this. Nothing has been modified. It's not been overclocked. It's brand new. My wife got me this as a birthday present. It's not dirty. There's no overheating in here. There's no lumps of rubbish. You're seeing it literally as I've just pulled it out of the case right now. So it is time to go back for an RMA, which is a shame. I love ASUS product. As you can tell, the motherboard is the ASUS ROG Strix R660G Wi-Fi gaming. Absolutely fantastic bit of kit. Some people did point to the Vengeance RAM being a known weak spot. I've not found that to be the case, and this hasn't given me a moment's bother since 2022 when I built the system. So it's a pretty tidy system. There's tons of airflow. Fan here, two fans there, two fans drawing vertically, two fans pushing air this way, and two fans pulling it out this way. So up until last Friday, it was 100%, but not anymore. So stay tuned for the update on this. That's going to go off tomorrow, or certainly by Monday it will be out for an RMA, and then I'll reinstall it. And there'll be another video just to show you what happens with the Intel stuff. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you in those videos. Cheers, everyone. And by the way, really appreciate the feedback and commentary. It's helpful. Thanks again.